fans, lights, and clocks inside the theatre are wiped with 1% sodium hypochlorite solution. AC filters must be cleaned with detergent solution and dried. Scrubbing the walls and floor with detergent and mopping with 1% sodium hypochlorite. Monthly cleaning. As per the weekly cleaning method, particular attention to be given to corners and edges. Additionally, microscopes, revolving chair and trolleys are cleaned and oiled where necessary. Fumigation. Aerosol machine or fogger should be used for fumigation. Equal amount of formalin and distilled water is added depending upon the size of the theatre. After fumigation, close the theatre for minimum 24 hours. Ultraviolet lights help cleaning the room air while we are away. Turned on overnight after the surgical session when the last person leaves the OT. Turned off when the first person enters before the OT next morning. Hydrogen peroxide 1% and silver nitrate combination or glutaraldehyde and formaldehyde combination can be used as a change fortnightly. Monitoring. Monitoring environment. The bacterial carrying particle load in theatre is checked by sedimentation plating technique every fortnight. Monitoring of sterility. Periodic culture is done once in a week from sterile areas and items such as trolleys, microscope knob, viscoelastic cannula, saline, drum, surgeons and assistants' hands and gown, unsterile areas and items such as walls, microscopes, floor, operating table and air conditioner. Nasal and nail bed swabs also should be taken at regular intervals and sent for testing. Monitoring sterilization process. Chemical monitoring. The autoclave strips should be checked for its color changing to jet black and autoclave strips register should be signed by the theatre in charge and the operating surgeon both after pasting in the register. Once in a week, Bowie Dick test pack or vapor line indicator can be used. Biological monitoring. Biological indicator ampules are to be put in the load along with other items, generally done once in a week. The autoclaving person should not be aware of its use. Monitoring of activities. All the activities must be monitored carefully by using various checklists like pre-operative checklist, daily cleaning checklist, weekly cleaning checklist, monthly cleaning checklist, weekly nail checklist, weekly autoclave report, autoclave logbook, autoclave strips register. Monitoring all these activities are done at weekly meeting.